Science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM, is really pervasive at FIU. Every walk of life is affected by STEM, and it's the driver of our economy.
What we're really dedicated to is bringing the practice of scientists into the classroom so students can learn science as a scientist, so they develop skills beyond just the content.
FIU is a leader in empowering and promoting the participation of women in the sciences and all of the STEM fields. The community and environment allows innovation.
Our goal here is to inspire the next generation of STEM professionals and also the wider public, no matter what career they're in. Look around you, you can see it's working.
We want real experiences to be the way that kids really learn. We know that that works.
I got here because I thought, if I can teach it to someone, maybe I'll learn it better myself.
We know that their experiences, hands-on, ultimately is what makes them successful.
It's critical that we have outstanding STEM professionals, but also outstanding STEM teachers who are going to be able to inspire the next generation and the public so that we're always on that cutting edge of American competitiveness and a sustainable world.